Good morning, students. Today we discuss about the topic that is a growth hormones. The various growth hormones and what are the functions of the growth hormone. Well, the term hormone, which are first coined by the scientist that is Starling in 1906 in Animal Physiology, and he denoted that the internal factors which influence the growth, we call as a growth hormone. The hormone which internally influence the growth, which are responsible for the growth, we call as a growth hormone. So there are 5 types of hormone which are takes part in either promotions and or they are also inhibitors. These are your auxins, gibberellin, cytokinin, ethylene and abscisic acid. All are the hormones which are responsible for growth. We see one by one. First of all, auxins. Well, the first auxins which are discovered by Professor F. Wendt in 1931, and they are isolated the hormone in the urine of person who are suffering from pellagra disease, and they are the hormone which are naturally synthesized in the plant. The plants have meristematic conditions, and where it is transported to one plant to another plant. The meristem plants are having this category to transpiration of minerals, food, nutrients, same the transfer of auxin hormone. So the most common and the important natural auxin is in our plants. There is IAA, indole acetic acid, which are naturally synthesized in our body, which are responsible for cell elongations. The what number of physiological effects and the applications. What are the applications? The primary cell which are takes part in the cell enlargement, cell elongations. What can I say? The elongation stem and roots are there. So they are growth in the apical bud, but inhibit the lateral growth. The plant get rises like that vertically, not like that. So the root, so the tip of the plant get increases, but the lateral growth is inhibited by the auxins hormone, and also takes part in the growing plant, fruit, that is what can I say, orange, lemon, apple, banana. All the plants are get developed with the help of this auxin hormone. Second is your gibberellin hormone. Well, it is also a natural growth hormone promoting the root of the tip and the developing seed. जो डेवलपिंग सीड से जो नया सीड जो बन रहा है उसको डेवलप करने के लिए जिबरलिन इंपॉर्टेंट है. नाउ दिस इज coined by the scientist Kurosawa in 1926. What happened? The gibberellin was first isolated by the scientist Gibberellin Furusawa with the Japanese scientist that's Kurosawa. In which one? When he don't have the in the plant of rice, the rice plant are get what can I say, the stem get elongated very much. So due to the disease, that is the back end disease. What can I say? बैकने डिसीज. एक मेज का प्लांट है वो काफी हद से ज्यादा बढ़ रहा है. So he do the Kurosawa denote that, and the hormone gibberellin who are isolated in crystalline form by the Yabuda and Sumili in 1938. इन्होंने उसको एक्चुअल में आइसोलेट किया. ओके, and it is also natural synthesis in the plants. The plants are your, what can I say, it's barley and wheat. Before that it is synthesized from mevalonic acid also. Gibberellin also secrete from the mevalonic acids. So what are the physiological effects and the functions? The functions are the dormancy of bud can be treated with this hormone, dormancy. Then you are the plants like your maize, cereals, barley. So these are the parts which are the stem and the root get so elongated with this hormone. Why? Because it synthesizes the hydrolysis enzyme inside the plant with the help of sugar. So and when some plants are dwarf, अगर कुछ plant छोटे हैं, so the gibberellin hormone also promote the growth and उनको बड़ा कर देता है. अगर कोई प्लांट छोटा है तो उसको हाइट से उसको बड़ा कर देते हैं. ओके, सो द एक्टिवेशन ऑफ gibberellin overcome the requirement of hormonalizations. Next is your cytokinin. This is also hormone which are synthesizing naturally. This hormone also promote the growth. Its main part is to what can I say, cell expansion, cell elongations are there. It is the another growth hormone which are given by the scientist. There is a Latham scientist, that is your Latham. Latham scientist give the first term, that is cytokinesin, who had discovered this हार्मोन इन द प्लांट ऑफ निकोटियाना टोबैकम. जो टोबैको का प्लांट है उसमें लीथम सर ने क्या किया, ही डिनोट दैट इन द टोबैको प्लांट. टोबैको के पत्तों में उन्होंने साइटोकाइनेसिन को आइसोलेट किया. केमिकली काइनेसिस आर 6 फुरफुरिल अमाइनो प्यूरिन. एक अमाइनो, दिस इज आल्सो व्हाट कैन से अ पार्ट ऑफ अमाइनो एसिड्स which are takes part in grown up. Which plants? Your flowers, tomato, apple, fruit, coconut, milk. इन सब प्लांट्स में साइटोकाइनेसिन का काफी ज्यादा रोल है. Physiological effects. What is it? The besides cell division, it promotes cell enlargement. Okay, cell enlargement, the growth of the ratio from with the plants are smaller, so it will help to get bigger. Cytokinesin and auxin ratio and their interactions control morphogenetic differentiations. Morphogenetic means जो outer side है, जैसे leaf, stem, root, जो outer जो what can characters है, morphogenic characters, it get developed from the help of this. Next is ethylene. Well, this is the first gaseous hormone which are responsible for growth, and उसका एक ही important role है. The role is ripening of fruit naturally. Ripening, फळांना पिकवणे. This is only a benefit of this hormone naturally, because it synthesizes the hormone naturally in the plants. What can I say? In the plants, in the fruits. So this is mainly help for ripening of fruits. उनको पकाना, जो फल है उनको मैच्योर करना, बट नेचुरली. ओके, दिस द टर्म गिवन बाय द डेनी. दिस इज गिवन बाय डेनी, रिपोर्टेड इन द 1934. प्रोफेसर डेनी. तो फिजियोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट्स आर, इट प्रमोट द राइपनिंग ऑफ फ्रूट्स लाइक बनाना, एप्पल, ऑरेंज, ग्रेप्स. इट स्टिमुलेट द इनिशिएशन ऑफ lateral roots in the plants. हाँ, this is growth like that also. ये प्लांट को ऐसे भी ग्रोथ करता है, ऐसे भी ग्रोथ करता है. नेक्स्ट इज ऑल द एनहांसमेंट ऑफ प्रोसेस ऑफ सेंस ऑफ प्लांट ऑर्गन. एंड इथिलीन इनहिबिट द ग्रोथ ऑफ लैटरल ब्लड. लैटरल ब्लड की जो ग्रोथ है उसको इनहिबिट करता है. Next is your abscisic acid. This is your last hormone which are parts in your growth hormone. Abscisic acid, ABA. Abscisic acid. It is a natural growth hormone inhibiting. It is natural inhibiting growth hormone which are given by Kans and Addick. These are given by Kans and Addick in 1961. Observe that the shading of cotton ball was due to chemical substance, that is abscissin 1 and abscissin 2, varying. So 1963 they isolate the birds from the buds of cotton. जो cotton के जो ball बनते हैं उसमें उन्होंने abscissin को isolate किया. It is synthesized in leaves, fruit, seeds, etc. कहाँ पे synthesis किया? Leaves में, fruit में और फल में. Physiological effects are, it promotes the absorption of leaves, acids, induce dormancy in plants. Next is your, it controls the dormancy in buds and seeds. It accelerates the senses of leaves, flower, fruit. उनके senses को access करता है. Flowers छोटे हैं, बड़े होते हैं. Sense, leaves के जो flavor है उसको enhance करता है, accelerate करते हैं. The growth is get accelerated. It takes place part in cell elongations. Then your It is also known as anti-transpirant. It acts as a stress hormone by inducing the plant to bear the adverse effect of environmental conditions. Environmental conditions say this will also protect the plant from the environmental conditions which abscisic acid. So we see all the hormones: auxins, gibberellin, cytokinin, ethylene, and abscisic acid. So these are all your growth hormones. I hope you understand the video. Today we close here. Have a nice day. Thanks so much.